Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a stylish Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Time Visitor launcher from the Play Store first, and you can get this exact theme setup by using this launcher. So it's a super cool launcher and minimal theme. You can find a super animated clock on the website, and also a battery widget followed by a super red and white icon pack, and followed by the Google search widget on the bottom section, a big round icon. And the second page you can find some of the application which is with a beautiful background wallpaper. So you can find a black and white and red themed totally, which looks so minimal. So go to the launcher setting, go to the themes and just select the theme number. You can find this theme at theme number 11. So you can just apply the theme and you can get the exact theme setup on your mobile phone. So you can also have other more options like changing the font size and every options on the setting, and you can get a minimal look, and you app driver follows the same red and white theme icon pack, which look so great and beautiful. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.